Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem. Come, behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven nature sing. Adeste fidelis, Leti triumphantes, venite, venite in Bethlehem. Natum videte regem angelorum, venite